Okay, so arches, tyres, wheels have been deep cleaned first. Always clean your dirtier areas before anything else. Next step, and to preserve the paintwork on this or any other car, snow foam pre-wash. Whole car is going to get covered in a thick layer of snow foam. It's going to help remove the heavier natural contaminants like mud, dirt, all the scratchy stuff that if we were to just go straight onto this with wash mitts, it would leave marks in the paint. So here we go. As you can see, this is dripping down. It's encapsulating the dirt particles. So imagine a boulder that's come over years and years and years down into a tiny speck of dirt. No matter how big it is, it's still a sharp, horrible rock. This is going to encapsulate that, surround it with the lubricity of the foam, and it's going to drag it off. As and when we then rinse it, it will come off safely with no marks, no scratches, leaving us a much cleaner, safer surface to apply the wash mitts to. And that is why you put a snow foam on every single time you wash your car, no matter how dirty it is. With any detail, it's essential to get all contaminants off. So our first stage, snow foam and bucket wash, is to remove all the organic contaminants. So your dirt, your dust, your mud, your general day-to-day grime. First step of the chemical decontamination is to remove the iron fallout. So if you imagine all of the cars all around the roads braking, the brake dust on the brake disc is flying in the air, it lands on the car hot and it bonds. If you're going to polish a car, that is going to scratch if you run a machine polisher over those hard metal pieces, and if we put film over it, those tiny specks of metal will stick up through the film and look like a boulder, because the tiniest speck of dirt will look enormous through the film. So it's got to be as clean and contaminant free as we possibly can. As a regular step, we fold the clay in, so all the contaminants we've picked up go back inside. We drop this in the hot water, remold it, so all the dirt on one side gets folded inside, kneaded up like a ball of bread, and we always start with a fresh surface for the next section we're going to work on. And that's a judgment call you make based on how contaminated and how much is coming off the paint.